Okay, this is for you, Samia and Moria. Some little leg workouts for you. Okay, old school jump under, left. The slower you do it, the more you work the muscle. You can do it in stages. You can go 1, 2, 3, down. Alright, for 2, down for 2. Just vary it a bit. Really fatigue that leg. Also works your bum. Okay, you can drop that leg forward, extend this leg, and lift. Okay, double time, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Bit more pain. Up and forward, down and back. There you go. Keep filming doing. Do some little clear work. You can go down. Squeeze your bum as you come up. Knees over toes. And stay down. Little push back. And repeat. You can do the same 3-stage thing. 3, squeeze up. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze your bum as you come up. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze. Little suggestion for you. Happy with that?